Guys, how are you doing? Welcome to yet another podcast. So today I'm with
Kim,
Kim. How are you doing?
I'm good and yourself.
I'm doing great. Kim, is it important for a man to be well groomed?
I think it's very important for both ways to be well groomed because at the end of the day, a woman needs to smell nice. She needs to feel confident that she's going to find something out there or whoever's going to find her. Because you never know when you're going to walk into Mr. Perfect one day. Verse vice for a guy as well. It's nice to know that the guy is well groomed, looked after, he looks after himself. I don't need to tell him if maybe there's something out of the ordinary that I need to take off. I will take off his shoulder, but further than that, he needs to be well groomed. It attracts the ladies also if a guy smells like a woman.
Oh,
So if a guy uses like woman perfume, this is what the gents do where I'm working.
wow.
Kim, can I have some of your hand cream? Is for the ladies.
Yes.
Then they will come and fetch the hand cream with the body spirit. So you know what?
Yeah.
I got ladies today. They greeted me. They smelled me.
Wow.
So it's all about you feeling good about yourself and making that extra effort to put in for yourself. I think well groomed is important.
It's important. How about financial stability?
Financial stability is also very important. So how you're going to live. It's not necessarily about you going to get a girlfriend one day. How are you going to live? That's verse vice for a man and a female. You can't be begging people. I'm not dissing anybody. I do understand poverty is real, but financial stability between a man and a woman needs to be done because we can't have dysfunctionality. Yes, we can build from dysfunctionality and become stable. We want it to be stable, but in a nutshell, finance stability is important.
What's your take on long distance relationship?
It all depends. It all depends if the person, the two people or the couple is strong enough, and if they trust each other. Trust and honesty is the most important thing that people need to understand, and communication. Transparency communication is important because once someone says something different that you might not understand, because social media portrays things on different aspects in different ways, and we might be taking it the wrong way. So, clarity, communication, honesty, it will work. It all depends on what the parties are going to do going in the future if they see each other in the future.
Would you go for a guy who is significantly older than you?
Significantly. It all depends. Like, it's what you see is what you get. I can't pretend to be someone that I'm not, and I'm not about to let someone tell me who I need to be in future to be on their level. So it's all about what you see is what you get. I'm not going to expect a lot from you, and you're not going to expect a lot from me, but we're going to expect a lot from each other working together.
Taller men or short guys?
That's funny. Tall men or short guys.
Yes.
I wouldn't want to date a guy that's shorter than me because then I'll have to give him a lift, you know?
Yeah.
Like Captain Morgan.
Okay. Man or handsome?
Well, he needs to look good. It's regardless the race, you need to look good and feel good about yourself because the goodness comes from the inside. You need to, make yourself look nice,
Yeah, that's true. To what extent is confidence valuable in a man?
Confidence, if a man can just be himself, it's not about just being confident, as being yourself with your skin, as being yourself. If you're comfortable with your skin, then you're confident with yourself.
Would you date somebody with a different religious background with yours?
Yes,
How about a different cultural background?
yes.
What are your ideal date places?
Excuse me?
Your ideal date place?
I do
Or location.
locations, places that I would like to go.
Yeah.
I'd like to visit different African countries first and then make my way up into Europe.
Wow, that's great.
African countries is important because I come from Africa. I'm African. I might not be from the same country.
Wow. So if there's somebody who knows you who is watching this podcast, what do you want to say to them?
I would want them to understand life itself before they judge someone else because you never know what the next person is going through. Sometimes people might not say about their previous background. They might not talk about it because they are embarrassed. But for me personally, I think if you get to know someone without judging someone, you'd actually see who that person is and you'd understand why certain factors in their life would happen and why they went through and made decisions based upon it.
Wow, thank you so much. This has been so valuable and so detailed. Thank you so much, my sister, for granting us this
It's a
interview,
pleasure.
and I'm
It's a
really
pleasure.
grateful.
It's a pleasure, Rasta.